All right, guys, I'm out in front of the Minion Cafe at Universal Studios, and I'm here to get some food because I'm hungry, and we're gonna try to find some keto options here. It's not really a keto-heavy restaurant, so we're gonna have to be creative potentially, but I always like to film these sorts of things and review the foods, let you guys know whether you're on keto or not, how the foods are at certain restaurants, so make sure you subscribe if that sounds fun to you. We're gonna head in there and see if we can't go keto today. And if you decide to come here to the park and you're on keto, maybe this will help you. They got the menu board out here. Got a nice little photo opportunity here with the Minion. You want to sit next to it? You can just kind of walk in here. Sometimes they'll make you like answer questions. You walk in, you seat yourself, and then you can just order food. But yeah, I can kind of show you what it looks like in here. Pretty cool restaurant. Great for the kids. Loving the air conditioning. Got the little vending machine with all the fart guns in it. I think I'm gonna sit right over here in the corner, why not? So on the table, you're gonna have a QR code that you wanna scan with your phone. You can scan it now and check out the menu if you prefer. So see, I point my phone at it and this link will come up. Oh, so it wants you to go to the app, which I already have installed. So when you get in here, you can just hit order food and drinks. This is in the app, you'll have to install that. And then you go to Minion Cafe, and here's where you can actually order. Now I'm gonna look through this and see if I can find some creative way to eat keto here. A lot of cool looking items. Now one of the hacks you can do when you come to these places, you can click the little allergen notice thing, add it to your order, and then they're gonna come over, and if you need to customize your order, then you'll have the chance to do so. I think I'm gonna get the El Macho Salsa y Salsa Ropa Veja. That sounds pretty good. So the El Machos I'm ordering is gonna be $14.37 after my pass holder discount. Now if all goes well, they'll come over, ask what I wanna change. Now what I'm gonna wanna change about the El Macho is I'm gonna want them to just take off the rice and the tostones. I don't want either of those things because they both have carbs. So I just made a bit of a mistake. I forgot that once you put in the order on the app, you have to then hit I've arrived. I've been sitting here for like 15 minutes and no one's come over here to talk to me about my changes. And I was like, man, I wonder if they don't know where I'm at. Went in there and I realized I had to put in the actual table number and scan the QR code. So anyways, now they should be working on my order. All right, so the employee came over, the chef, and he asked what my allergies were. I said, I don't have an allergy, I just am on keto and didn't want the tostones or the rice, and there's no waiters or waitresses, so I didn't know who to tell. And he said, okay, no problem, and he's gonna remove those, and mine should be a fully keto plate of food, which I'm pretty excited about. And so the chef came out, he brought me my bowl, and he said, hey man, I loaded you up with a bunch of extra meat so you can get your money's worth, since I'm not getting the rice, and he sure did. Check this out, super hefty quantity of meat. You got the cucumber salad, got some salsa on there. It looks delicious, should be low carb and a keto treat, so we shall see. I'm gonna taste it right now and I'll tell you if it's any good. And this music might cause problems. Try the meat first. Oh, that was really good. That was very good. I kind of thought that would be amazing, and it is amazing. I definitely recommend that. I think this is similar to what they have in the Walking Taco for Halloween Horror Nights. That's good too. Cucumbers are keto, right? I ate peas and people told me they're not keto, so I'm still learning. So with the amount of meat he gave me, I'm gonna be quite full. This is a great, wholesome, hearty meal. I can actually have some cucumbers with the meat. Very good. I can't guarantee you're gonna get extra meat if you come here, but I did, and that's really cool. But even without the extra meat, it still would probably be worth 14 bucks, 17 bucks if you don't have a pass. This is loaded with protein. It's gonna keep you full for a long time. It's a very good choice. This isn't the only option. I actually was looking at the menu and I wrote these down. There's the Kevin Chapa Chapa salad. It's a salad that features purple cabbage, arugula, tomatoes, cucumber, edamame, rotisserie chicken, and crispy pork belly. If you want to make it keto friendly, you just say, hey, remove the plantain chips and be mindful of the vinaigrette because that can be high in carbs too. And also the other option I was seeing was Uncle Drew's belly filling pork sandwich. With that one, you'd have to get no bun because it is a sandwich. Also, don't eat the plantain chips, but other than that, it should be good. And it has a slow roasted porchetta and bacon jam, which again should be fine. So there's 3 really good options that I think you could get here at the Minion Cafe. Definitely check it out. We'll wrap it up outside after I finish eating. It's very delicious. I am super satisfied food-wise. That might be my go-to keto thing at Universal. I mean, I still have a lot more restaurants to try, but I like it better than anything I got at Finnegan's, and I liked it better than anything I got at the Leaky Cauldron. So I definitely recommend you try the Ropa Veja. It's really good, and he did totally hook me up, giving me a bunch of extra meat. He didn't have to do that. He may or may not do that for you, but that made it a very filling $14, well worth the money. 10 out of 10 for that. I really loved it. Like, I have literally no complaints. That was such an excellent meal. Even if I wasn't keto, I'd eat it. So Definitely recommend that if you ever come to Minions Cafe. That's going to be the end of this one. If you liked it, subscribe, hit the like button, check out some of the other ones, and we'll see you next time.